Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be maxing up our storage here with the new cargo rack system. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and don't forget to subscribe. So I've been wanting to install one of these for quite some time because now when I have this rack system installed, I'll be able to put like a cooler down here and something else and also on top, so it's a little bit more organized and I'm able to fit a little bit more with passengers in the back as well. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed and see how well it looks. So excuse the mess and everything. In the middle of doing an oil change on this thing and moving and life and all that stuff, so you know how it is. So this is the box that it comes in. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpackage it and see what's inside. Don't you love it when you're done with a project and you finally find what you've been looking for? I've been trying to look for zip ties all morning. They were in the back of the Jeep. I gotta really say this packaging was actually done really well. Look how thick that is. That's pretty good. So this is gonna withstand some stuff. And look, everything is packaged really well. Even look at the instructions. They're in a bag. Normally they're just floating in there. That's actually, I like that a lot. So if you got your Jeep toolkit, go ahead and remove these two back bolts here on both ends, right there and right there. Let's go ahead and zip those off real quick. All right, so now I kind of got these installed. I left the bolts a little bit loose. So A is going to be going on this side and B is going to be going on the passenger side, sorry. So A for the driver's side, B for the passenger side. So like I said, I left them loose. That way when I put this on, I could kind of fit it. You know, you never want to install stuff tight and then try to fit everything. So always leaves everything kind of loose and then tighten at the end. So let's go ahead and slap this top part on. All right, I got the top rack installed. I have the bolts facing out and the nuts on this side. So let's go ahead and I'm going to tighten up the top rack first, and then I'm going to tighten up the back there, and then we'll test it. So check it out, it's all installed, all tight, pretty firm, shaking the Jeep. Look at that, I got my cooler in there, I got my 5 gallons of water, I even got my trailer tire. That's my 17-inch Blackstone griddle. Now I got some bags up here, I got a case of water, I got a chair, my air compressor, jumper pack, flashlight, some ducks, some rags. Now I got fit some stuff, and then also it comes with a net so it could cover all this up so nothing's flying. So yeah, look at that. A little bit better organized than just throwing stuff on top. So you got about 21 and some change inches underneath. You also got to take in consideration that I do have a rubber mat underneath. So that ain't too bad at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.